Good morning, children. In the other class, we had started acid, bases and salts. We had seen what is acid, how it can be identified, and then we had also seen the physical properties. Now today we will see the chemical properties of acids. First chemical property. What is what is the first chemical property? Metal plus acid. Acid plus metal. When metal and acid they are combined, what happens? Metal salt is obtained along with hydrogen gas is obtained. What is happening? There is an experiment. You take zinc granules in a conical flask. In that you add some acid. You'll be able to see bubbles coming out. When you see bubbles coming out and some salt is formed. So how you will test this? Here one very important thing is that to identify the gases, it can be hydrogen gas, it can be carbon dioxide gas, or it can be oxygen gas. Any of the three gases, which gas it is produced, you are not going to bring it near the nose and smell it and find it. You are just going to make a test. What is the test? Bring a lighted splinter or a matchstick in front of the test tube from which the gas is coming out. What will happen? If it is oxygen gas, it will help in burning. If it is oxygen gas, it will help in burning. If it is carbon dioxide gas, then it will extinguish the fire. The burning matchstick will extinguish. Fire will extinguish. That is, it will stop burning. And if it is hydrogen gas, then it will burn with a pop sound. That is, loud sound will be produced and it will burn brightly. So this is how you are going to identify which gas is produced during the reaction. So here, when metal is combined with acid, what happens? Metal salt is obtained and hydrogen gas is obtained. So reaction we are going to see Zn plus H2SO4. Zn plus H2SO4. Zn is your metal, H2SO4 is your acid. It forms ZnSO4. What Zn does? It displaces hydrogen and then hydrogen gas is obtained. Your displacement reaction is taking place. See children, I am writing here the reactions. You need to balance it. Remember that I may not have balanced the reaction. You need to balance the reaction. Zn or any of the metals you take, Zn plus H2SO4, ZnSO4 is formed plus H2. Hydrogen gas is obtained. Now second chemical property. What is that? Metal carbonate. Metal carbonate when it reacts with acid. Metal carbonate when it reacts with acid, what is obtained? Metal salt is obtained, carbon dioxide is obtained and water is obtained. Now whenever, this is an important thing which you should remember, whenever it is carbonate in LHS or RHS, you will have carbon dioxide in that reaction. Remember this, that whenever you will be having carbonate, you should have carbon dioxide. When you have carbon dioxide, you will have carbonate. It is sure. So metal carbonate, when it reacts with acid, what is obtained? Metal salt is obtained with carbon dioxide and water. So now let us take an example of metal carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium is a metal. Its carbonate, that is sodium carbonate. When it reacts with HCl, what happens? Sodium chloride is obtained along with carbon dioxide and water. Sodium carbonate, when it reacts with HCl, what is obtained? NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. This is how the reaction is taking place. I told carbonate, carbon dioxide has to be there. Remember this. If it is not there, it means there is something wrong which you are writing in the reaction. You need to memorize the reactions. Now third reaction, metal hydrogen carbonate. Here metal carbonate, here metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal hydrogen carbonate is also called as metal bicarbonate. Hydrogen carbonate is also called as bicarbonate. So metal hydrogen carbonate, when it reacts with acid, again same metal salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Same reaction is taking place, just like metal carbonate here also. So NaHCO3, there it was CO3, here it is HCO3, hydrogen carbonate, that is bicarbonate, plus HCl, that forms NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. The same products are obtained. So you have it. These are the three reactions. Further more reactions we'll see in other class. But this reaction is something which is very important. Very important to the point of view of your examination. This is also there in your practicals. What is that? What you need? You need lime. You need lime, that is quicklime. Quicklime, you take it in a test tube. In that you put water. What happens? You know what is quicklime? Chuna that is used for whitewashing. That you need to put water in it. When you put water in it, what will happen? You will see some bubbles coming, and temperature will also increase. It will become hot. Why it is? We have seen this combination reaction. Two compounds are combining to form one product. Calcium oxide is your quicklime. When water is added, what happens? Your slaked-lime, that is calcium hydroxide, is obtained. Calcium oxide, when reacts with water, calcium hydroxide is obtained. This is slaked-lime. Okay. Now, what is obtained? Slaked-lime is obtained. In this, what you are going to do? Using a pipette, you are going to pass carbon dioxide through your mouth. You will be passing carbon dioxide through your mouth in this test tube where slaked-lime has been obtained. Now, when you pass carbon dioxide, what will happen? The solution which was obtained will become milky in color. The reaction which is taking place, what was the substance which we got? Slaked-lime, CaOH twice. This is here. What we did? We passed carbon dioxide. Then we passed carbon dioxide. What happened? The solution turned milky. Now that milky solution is here calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate plus water is obtained. What happens? Again you see the reaction. Calcium oxide, that is quicklime. When it is added in water, calcium hydroxide is obtained. It is slaked-lime. In this we are passing carbon dioxide. When we are passing carbon dioxide, we are getting here milky white. Your solution becomes milky. That is calcium carbonate is obtained along with water. Now, if you continue passing carbon dioxide, that is excess of carbon dioxide is passed in the solution when it has turned milky, in that again you continue passing carbon dioxide. When you continue passing carbon dioxide, what will happen? The milky color will disappear. The milky color of the solution will disappear. So, again the reaction has taken place. What was our product there? Calcium carbonate plus water. We have taken that calcium carbonate plus water. In that what we did? We added carbon dioxide. So what is obtained? Calcium bicarbonate is obtained. That is calcium hydrogen carbonate, CaHCO3 twice. This is obtained, and hence this is the new product which is obtained, and hence this is soluble in water. It is colorless, and hence that milky color disappears. What happened? When you have taken quicklime, you passed water, it became hot, and you got calcium hydroxide. You passed carbon dioxide. What happened? The solution which was obtained became milky in color. When you again continued passing carbon dioxide, what happened? This milky color disappears, and the reaction taking place is CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2. That forms calcium hydrogen carbonate, that is calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 twice. These reactions are very important to the point of view of examination, as well as this is in your practical, but though due to the lack of materials, we are not able to perform the experiment, but this reactions you need to make it perfect. Okay, more chemical properties we'll see in other class. In the next class. For today, it's enough. Thank you.